Areas we could say that yes, things are going on very well. But in some areas we're hearing, some pocket of violences, and most especially from APC government. But I'm sure the security agencies, they are doing their best to contend with it.
In the previous election, there were some areas where grievance issues were recorded. From your assessment, how can you rate the development so far?
Well, here where I just finished casting my votes, it's going on very well. The givers work very well, but not until when we start getting reports. We have people in our station rooms, which any moment from now we start getting reports. But like I said, the most important thing is that they should allow this election to be free and fair. Let no person think that we will allow them to rig election. Nobody will rig election. Because even if you said you want to write results, when you finish writing it, you cannot, that result will not go. So they should allow the people to decide whoever they want to vote for.
INEC was criticized for late arrival of materials in the last election they held on February 25th. What is your impression about today's exercise?
There have been so much improvement. So today, from our report, to a larger extent, most of the press reporting reports, it seems that many places voting is ongoing at the moment.
So, are you optimistic of the victory of PDP in this election?
Well, yes, I would say so, because I always know that I work for the people, and I believe I deserve the people to support the new Ebonyi.
Finally, there was a lot of speculation that this election will be filled with a lot of apathy. How do you see the turnout?
I'm impressed with what I'm seeing in some places. People are coming out regardless of all the checks. They are still meant that they must decide who become their leader.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.